What if I told you that the biggest wealth secret used by millionaires isn't luck, it's math? In today's video, we're breaking down the exact compounding wealth formula used to turn $10,000 into over $1 million. No lottery tickets. No crypto hype. Just a serious, advanced blueprint for capital growth and financial freedom. Grab a notebook, this is Millionaire Strategy Unlocked. The big lie of linear thinking. Most people think money grows in straight lines. Millionaires know wealth grows in curves. That's because of one powerful principle: compound growth. Compound growth means your money doesn't just earn returns, the returns also start earning returns. This is how $10,000 can snowball into $1 million over time, without you working harder each year. Millionaire rule: growth rate matters more than income. Millionaires care less about how much they earn today and more about at what rate their capital grows. For example, 5% annual growth takes 48 years to hit $1 million from $10,000. 12% annual growth equals 22 years. 20% annual growth equals 12 years. They aggressively hunt down assets and skills that produce double-digit compounding returns: stocks, real estate flips, online businesses, high-yield marketing systems. Millionaire rule: use multi-layer compounding. Millionaires don't just rely on one compound effect, they stack them. This is called multi-layer compounding. First layer: investments, index funds, REITs, dividend stocks. Second layer: online or offline business income reinvested back into the asset. Third layer: tax efficiency, keeping more to reinvest again. That's how they reinvest $10,000, $50,000, $250,000, $1 million plus faster than ordinary investors. The advanced capital growth formula. This is the formula elite investors follow. Seed capital times 1 plus growth rate, time times velocity of money. Seed capital equals your starting amount, $10,000. Growth rate equals yearly ROI from assets or business. Time equals how long you let money compound. Velocity of money equals number of times you reinvest profit each year. Most average investors reinvest once per year. Millionaires will flip capital multiple times per year. That's how they speedrun the journey to $1 million. Case study: $10,000 to $1 million in 12 years. Let's break down a real-world modeled scenario. Year 1 to 2, invest $10,000 into building a digital marketing side hustle. Earnings reinvested into paid ads plus high-yield index funds. By year 4, $60,000 capital. Year 5 to 8, launch productized service, reinvest profits $350,000. Year 9 to 12, stack real estate flips or dividend stocks, net worth snowballs to $1 million plus. Each phase uses compounding plus velocity plus reinvestment. That's the secret. Tools millionaires use. Here are the tools and assets most self-made millionaires use in their compounding playbook. Vanguard/Schwab Index and dividend compounding. Shopify plus Google Ads cashflow compounding. Realty Mogul/Fundrise real estate compounding. Tax shelters 401k, Roth, company expenses to maximize reinvestable cash. They don't chase trends, they master systems. Mistakes to avoid. The 3 biggest killers of compound wealth are: cashing out too early, spending profits instead of reinvesting, jumping to new trends without mastering one engine. Millionaires stay disciplined and let the math work in their favor. You don't need to be rich to become a millionaire, you just need to understand and respect compound growth. Start with $10,000, master your growth engine, and let time and velocity multiply your efforts. Want my free downloadable compounding blueprint PDF? Comment the word formula below and check the description. Don't forget to subscribe. Next video reveals how to build passive income streams that compound automatically.